Text by phone message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oak Grove, or 13 miles west of Dillon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, quarter-size hail, at 60 miles
It's gonna
per
happen
hour.
again.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near.